Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about a best practice in AIMMS for handling configuration sets. We'll learn how to use element parameters as named constants to make your models more robust and easier to maintain. Often, we have sets that represent configuration choices or application logic, like whether a warm start is enabled or which transport mode is selected. The common mistake is hard-coding element names like car or boat directly into your procedures. This might seem easy at first, but if you ever need to rename an element, you'll have to find and replace it everywhere. Plus, it creates messy Git diffs across multiple files. A better way is to use element parameters as named constants. By defining each option once, you can compare against that constant throughout your application. This makes your code refactor-safe, meaning you only have to change the definition in one place. First, we create a set to hold our options. Let's call it s_config. Next, we declare an element parameter for each option. For example, ep_config car and epar_config boat. We set their range to es_config and define them with the actual element name. Then, we use these constants to define the contents of our set. This ensures consistency between the set elements and our named constants. Now, when we write our logic, we compare our selection, like ep_transport vehicle, directly against our constants instead of the strings car or boat. By following this pattern, your AIMMS projects become much easier to refactor and maintain. If you ever need to change boat to vessel, you just update one definition, and all your logic remains perfectly valid.